Himachal Pradesh is a super beautiful place with amazing mountains and peaceful scenery. If you love adventures, I've got 5 easy treks to tell you about that will blow your mind. First, there's the Hampta Pass Trek. It's a cool choice for anyone who loves nature. You'll walk through green valleys with snowy mountains and sparkling rivers. It's not too hard, so even if you're new to trekking, you'll have a great time. Next is the Deo Trek. Imagine being at the base of this huge mountain called Deo. The trek is like a mix of meadows, forests, and really pretty campsites. As you go up, you'll see awesome views of the mountains around you. It's a trek you won't forget. Now, if you want a trek that's both adventurous and a bit spiritual, the Chandrashakti Trek is perfect. It's in Uttarakhand, and you'll get to a super high temple called Tungnath. From there, you'll see the snowy Himalayas and the cool Chandrashila Peak. For a trek that's a mix of culture and beauty, check out the Sandak Fu Trek. It's in Darjeeling and takes you to the highest point in West Bengal. From there, you can see Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. It's like a dream for nature lovers and photo fans. Last but not least is the Kun Trek. It's a short and easy trek to the start of the Beas River. Imagine seeing snowy mountains, clear lakes, and green meadows. It's like a wonderland for people who love nature. Whether you're a pro trekker or just starting out, these 5 easy treks in Himachal Pradesh will give you memories for a lifetime. So grab your boots, pack your bags, and get ready for an amazing adventure in the mighty Himalayas.